Right guys, it's camp cook up time again. So you know what to do. Go grab yourself a drink, kick back on the lounge, and hope you enjoy this cook up. Righto, so it's pretty much similar to what I did with the breakfast I did last time, the devil's breakfast. This one, however, going to do it up like a pie. So I'm going to use the hash browns as the base. Going to do some onion, some bacon, eggs, cheese, and just season it. You could also add sausages. I haven't brought any sausages out here with me this time, and mushrooms, probably a hot sauce as well, if that's the way you want to do it. I'll probably do barbecue sauce today. The bacon, the onion is on the barbecue cooking. Just going to use the pie dish. Just run that around. Just ran the oil around the pie dish. Now I'm thinking 2 hash browns. I'll just try to work that in there, probably cut that off. So the hash brown base is in there. Now it's probably not going to look that pretty at the moment. So to just keep it together, just going to put a layer of cheese. Just a small sprinkling. Then 1 egg. There we go. Then I'll put the bacon, the onion on top of that, salt and pepper, a little bit more cheese onto the barbecue. Let that cook for probably 15 minutes. Salt and pepper. Do the barbecue sauce now as well. Again, use whatever sauce you want. The Heart Attack pizza, breakfast pizza I used the hot sauce. That's going to go on the barbecue now. As I said, 15-20 minutes. Let's see how it turns out. So again guys, just using the dish with also the rack in there so that the base isn't in direct contact with the hot plate. Let's just let that cook through. As I said, 15-20 minutes. We should be ready. Let's see how this turned out guys. I'm going to be happy with that, I think. Right guys, I know what we're going to call it, breakfast pie. Let's see how he turned out. Seriously, I got to stop doing this. That is really good. Just going to show you this guys. How good does this look? That's breakfast cook up done. The breakfast pie, sensational. Rate it up there with the Heart Attack pizza. So give that one a go on your next trip. I'm sure you'll be stoked with it. Do with it whatever you want. As I said, I didn't bring any sausages. I'd normally put probably sausages in that. If you like mushrooms or some other stuff, do it to your own taste. Grab a bigger pie dish so you can do the whole family if that's what you want to do. Anyway, guys, thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for all your support. Just blows me away. Don't forget to like, share, drop comments. I love the comments from you guys. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to subscribe. Travel safely, guys. Cheers.